What's up, y'all out there in the world? This your boy GQ, aka Graylin Quarterman. You know, I just want to let everybody know I'm focused this year, trying to get that money up, trying to make sure I hang around those real friends. All those fake friends and those leeches gotta go. You feel me? And all of them haters out there, man. I only got two words for you, man. Fuck you. You know what I'm saying? It's already hard enough. Everybody trying to make their money, trying to get their life on the right track. And we got these gossipers and critics from the churches to the streets to the clubs. I mean, in your own home, your own family, you know what I'm saying? People just don't give a fuck no more. They just try to beat you down, and when you try to do something, they always exposing what you did wrong. But this the year for everybody to give their self credit. You know what I'm saying? It's called self credit. Forget extra credit, forget bad credit, all of that stuff. Give yourself credit, you feel me? So this is just a little encouragement for everybody that's going through the same thing I'm going through. You got haters and stuff, forget the haters, give yourself credit, be blessed. Yes, I said it. And you will see me out there doing some more stuff, singing, rapping, poetry, comedy, whatever you want to call it, speaking. You know what I'm saying? I'm just trying to motivate everybody else as I motivate myself. So God bless you all, and let's grind. It's grind time. One. Peace.